tonight I had an incident where I never talk about my family. I had a close family member who's in hospital and unwell, and some nasties have made some sock puppet accounts in the name of that family member and are harassing me from it. To taunt me with the fact that my family member is in hospital. I just want to point this out because these are the types of petty, immoral behaviours that you see as a consistent theme across the behaviours of these agencies. You see this in the medical reports of Julian Assange, where the police have been throwing rocks at his window at 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning to make sure that he can never sleep and that he's constantly in a state of fear. And you see this a couple of months ago when I had people, anonymous emails sending me information about what my children had been doing. You know, that what my son was dancing to Michael Jackson and reading Harry Potter books, and that I'd been playing the piano in my apartment the night before. That these intelligence agencies that are persecuting Julian, fear is their lifeblood. Generating fear is their lifeblood. It's how they maintain their supremacy. You see them do it at a societal level. They play constant fear games, and they constantly trigger society as well. They traumatize society, and you see the news and the media do it deliberately as well. Trauma and fear are the tools of their trade. Some people might think, well, that's really scary and I don't want to be involved in that. I think the opposite. I think that's really immoral and disgusting, and they have absolutely no moral or legal basis for doing this to people, and we have got to shut it down. We have got to overcome the fear. To end the fear once and for all, we have got to come together and to rise above it and to not allow ourselves to be manipulated by it.